So now we're going to try comb your hair and curl it. 1, 2, 3. Let's start now. Wow. You got to the end of the video. That is amazing. Well done. I am so impressed with you. And now take a chill, have a little drink, a little cup on tea, maybe a little my waddy, maybe a little something stronger, whatever suits yourself. Have a snack if you wish. Talk to whoever's in the house, or maybe you have a friend you'd like to text to say, I got to the end of the tune. Yes, this crazy idea of having a session in my sitting room is actually working out. And then when you're ready, click on the next tune in the playlist and let's continue our session. Yay!